Hi guys, I just wanted to do some quick examples of how to evaluate algebraic expressions. So the whole deal with evaluating expressions is substituting a value in for a variable. So in this first example, we have z over 2 plus 5, and we want to evaluate it when z equals 10. So what I would do is take this value, 10, and substitute it in for z. So now I don't need to write z anymore. I can just write 10 because I know z equals 10. And then just evaluate it from there. So over 2 plus 5. And now we simplify. So 10 over 2 simplifies to 5 because 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then we add 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So you go step by step, one step at a time. The next one, I have two values to substitute, b equals 1 and c equals 4. So b squared plus c, and we're going to let b equal 1. So I'm going to substitute the b for a 1, and it kind of helps to write things in parentheses just so you know what you're substituting. And then plus c. So I'm given that c equals 4, so instead of writing c, I'm going to write a 4. Now we just simplify from here. So 1 squared, or 1 times 1, equals 1, and then plus 4. And 1 plus 4 equals 5. So that is just two examples of how to evaluate expressions.